This is Adam Jones, Unit 1. Going to be doing macros, the first 8 exercises for Unit 1. The first one is to record a macro. For that macro, I'm using the Zoom instructions that you provided at the beginning of the term. So in this case, I deleted the header that was originally on there. I'm going to reinsert it into the header of the Word document. So we'll begin by recording the macro. Name it header. Brief description, insert an image into the header. Hit OK. And I'm going to open the header, go to Pictures, and insert that. And then exit the header, and then stop the macro. So that macro is now recorded, inserting an image into the Word document. For exercise 2, it says to record another macro using the cursor up 3 lines. So we'll go down here, choose a bigger paragraph. So we'll start here. Again, record macro. Name this one cursor. Description is cursor insertion. Oops. Moved up 3 lines. Hit OK. Using the up arrow keys 1, 2, 3. And stop recording. And then exercises 3 and 4, they sound very similar to me. So I'm going to try to knock out both of those with 1. Just assigning a macro to the quick access toolbar. There's macro. And I'm going to add the cursor. Hit OK, and there we see it's been added. And then running a macro can be done in multiple ways, either the quick access buttons. So we'll show it here. Moved it up 3 spaces. Or go into the Developer tab, clicking on Macros, choosing whichever one you would like and hitting Run. So in this case, let's choose the transpose word right. We're going to hit Run. So there you see A and very switched places. So let's undo that. Or in this case, there's a button here. We'll do that with this word recording here. Transpose right. Again, links and recording switched places. Undo those changes. Then execute a macro from the Visual Basic Editor. So hit Alt F8 to open the editor. Choose the macro you would like to run and insert the cursor and hit the green play button there, or you can press F5. So in this case, let's do side by side here. We will choose the word Zoom. And then we're going to do transpose left. Run button. And then we hit the undo. or we can come down here to the cursor. We'll choose here. And then over here, we can just press 5. Deleting a macro. Close out of the editor. Maximize this. Go to macros. Delete the header. Yes. Or, oops, go back to the editor. When I delete the cursor, just hit delete. And then we're back to the original 3 that were in here from the projects in the textbook. And we deleted or removed the macros, and then I'm just going to hit the undo button. The cursor is back, and then the header is back. And I believe that concludes all the exercises required for the Unit 1 assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.